Hello, how are you? Today I have a new video about the best crypto trading bot, and today I'm going to show you my results of one day more of the bot created. You can see that our first bot that we have created is a Litecoin BTC, and you can see that the bot profit is still, of course, doing profits. Okay. Is a 1.34% of bot profit, but the investment change has decreased to 1.3%, and this is because the value of Litecoin against BTC is going down, as you can see here in the chart. Okay, but you can see that all the green dots are buy orders, and all the red dots are sell orders, and we can move it, okay, and we can see all the data with the chart of 1 hour, how the bot is always buying and always selling. Okay, and do you remember this is the grid? And today I'm going to show you more about the grids, so keep watching the video after my explanation of the bots. You can see here that ADA coin, ADA against BTC, now he's at the end of the grid because it was decreasing from 22 to today. So the problem is that you can see here that my last price for buying was this one, okay, that is this one, and in 2 hours the price goes down my line, my lower price, and in that case the bot can't buy more trades or more coins. So it's very important to set very well the grid that you are going to set for your bot. Okay, and you can see here that XEM BTC it's now under our grid, so only we have buy all the possible coins, and now we have to wait to the coin go again to our grid to start selling in my lower price, that is this one of this here. You can see here, okay, here and here. Okay, now we can see in one day what is happening. So maybe the problem of these grids is that maybe we can expect that the coin can go again to this support level, or maybe this one that is a resistance and it could be a support, and maybe we can expect again the price going up and start to sell again the coin, the trades in our grid that is here waiting. Okay, but the most important thing is that you don't lose the money, because what you have right now are more gems, more ADA, and more LTC. And you can see here in balance, you can change strategy for balance, and you can see that I have this ADA available and other coins that I used in the past bots. Okay, but I have I don't know where's ADA, where's GEM, where is GEM, where is GEM, my friend? Here is GEM, okay, and Litecoin, BTC is here. I see that here. Okay, so this is the real test. Okay, and you can see here my history bots that I was trying to use. Look, this one, Rose BTC, with 4 days with amazing profits, because this is it makes a lot of trades in the grids. So look again the grid strategy. I'm going to explain you the grid strategy, and here you can see that for only one day and 14 hours the XEM BTC bot made 254 trades, okay, and the ADA BTC only makes in 2 days, in 1 day more, only makes 78 trades. Okay, and if you can see the percentage, of course the other BTC have a more percentage per trade, so you can expect less trades or a small number of trades, because you have to have a more increase in price or difference in price to make the trade. But this of 0.7% is a good percent, and this I think that we can say that this coin is high volatile, so you can use it in your bot. I think that XEM BTC could be a very good bot for testing, and maybe other BTC is not the best, because with this amount of percentage, 1%, it only makes 78 trades in 2 days and 14 hours. Okay, maybe little coin BTC in the same time. Okay, with the exact the middle of the percentage from 1 here to 0.5. okay, it makes too much more trades. Okay, in the same period. LTC BTC, this pair makes a lot of trades, too much trades than ADA, and you can see that, of course, in the percentage of the bot profit, the profit of LTC is too much more than the ADA BTC. So as we are in the demo mode, now you can say, okay, maybe the XEM BTC pair is a good pair, the little coin BTC pair is a good pair, but the ADA BTC is not a good pair, because I think that the profit that we are doing is not so amazing. So we can close this one, we can cancel all open. Okay, this is another important thing, that is how to close the bot. The bot, you can close it and you can hold all the other coins. Okay, you can sell at market price. So if you sell at market price, you are losing because you are selling very low or lower than you bought the coins, or you can sell the sell limits orders at break-even price. This could be a good strategy if you want to stop a bot and you want to have a break-even price. But I think I want to cancel up all open orders. Okay, and the bot is going to disappear here. It's going to go to history in few minutes. And now what happened, that my balance, I have all the other coins. So maybe in the future, when the other starts again to going up, I increase the price and I can sell in the future. Okay, and we are going to start a new bot, but I think that it will be better to find a bot with that is in the support level, and we can go here to BTC. I have all the favorites. This is my research, that this is all the pairs that the bot has to make to create a bot. Maybe look here, T-Rex. Okay, T-Rex could be a very good option. Why? Because this is a very important coin. Is in the top 20 coins. Is in the most support level right now, and maybe we can expect it to increase and not to decrease. But maybe we can expect it to go lateral and not. We are not expecting a big pump of this coin. So we can go to bots game here and start T-Rex BTC. Okay, this is the chart of 1 hour. As I recommend you go to 1 day and see here what is happening. Okay, so imagine this is to February. It's okay. I think that maybe we can expect a little more decrease, so we can maybe set here. It is a good support level. Okay, the whole numbers like 100, 200, 1000, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, normally they are good support levels, so maybe we can stay here. The price is in 109 satoshis, so we can expect the price drop to 100, and we can buy with a lower price than right now. And if you can see this, it was these days the market is dropping a lot. I think that it's due to the problem was the XRP, and we can stay 100 grids, with a 0.7%. This is a good strategy. Remember what will happen here. If I start the bot is going to buy TRX. The bot state me that I have to buy this amount of TRX at this price, at 110 satoshis. And then he's going to put all these sell orders, 1 2 3 4 blah 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 blah, and he's going to with all bitcoins, with this bitcoin he's going to put some I think 1 2, let's see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and maybe 10 buy orders, and all these orders in the red lines is going to put all the sell orders. So we're going to start both with 0.10, 0.7 is a good point. Maybe we can adjust the grid with less and try to 0.8. See that here the difference, because with a big price the difference to how do you say this one in English, to achieve the price, the percentage between price is bigger, so it's you have to maybe two slides here, and it's increasing the space between grids. But here is a very good point, 0.8. we're going to have a lot of, I think, a lot of trades in the future, in the next days. So we are going to start the bot. We are going to buy all these coins of TRX. If the price goes to 100, we are going to buy in all these prices. And if the prices start to increase, is what I expect, we are going to have a good profits selling in all these orders. So we can see here the view. We have all open orders. Selling. Look, these are the binds that buy the bright prices. I say 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 the bot start and buy at I think 109. So this is all orders of selling, because we bought a lot of TRX at 109 satoshis, and all these are sell orders. It was put automatically, and we only have to wait here. We have one, we can see here, one completed order at this price. So this is amazing, and I think that it will be a very good point. Now I'm going to see with you the grid strategy to understand better what this is. If you want to learn in a video, in my first Binance Trading Bot, you have a very good video, and I have a 1 hour and 20 minutes webinar of Bitsgap upload in my YouTube channel. So in this article, you will learn some story behind the grid trading strategy, how does it works, and what market conditions are favorable to run this strategy. We're going to read this article with you, and I'm going to jump to my bot to see, with example of the TRX or the XEM coin, the examples. The strategy originally, this strategy mostly uses in forex, but it's found its way to the cryptocurrency market when it started to fluctuate, you know, because in the crypto field, the coins are too much volatile than the forex. So you have to have leverage in forex, but not in crypto. It's essential to know that the fundamentals you understand well when it's perfect time and place to use it. Okay. In short, the grid strategy works with postponed limit buy and sell orders in predefined intervals. So we jump here again, and this is our buy orders in green, okay, and all our sell orders in the predefined prices. We can see here again is look the T-Rex is moving, he's selling and buying the orders. Okay, this is the predefined orders that we have put in the bot. All these are buying and all these are selling orders. And why they are much more selling orders? Because we set the grid too much with selling orders in red that in green. Okay, if we put here, imagine the lower limit price in 50, so 0.50, we will have too much green orders, much more buy orders. Okay, so again, all orders are located at both above and below the current price. Remember that in our example is 100 satoshis of TRX. In general, buy order are placed below the current price, and sell orders I always place it above the current price. This is the example. Okay, the green are buy orders and the red are sell orders, as I show you in the real bot. Okay, it will be very time consuming if your strategy is use it or utilize it manually, and this is where our bot come in handy. Okay, it's because imagine that you have to put all these selling order by hand in your exchange. It will be very time consuming. Okay, example. For presentation purpose, we pick the classic BTC USDT or US dollar trading pair and show you how grids are generated and what will happen if the price goes up or goes down along the grid. The very first parameter we need to set up is the price range, the range where you are will allow the bot to trade. After, we need to decide the number of grid levels we are want to something to happen. Okay, this is very important thing, the part that we are setting our grid, and you can go to the chart and imagine where the price is going to go. So I think that we are in a support. We have a little buy orders before, and then I have a lot of grid sell orders in the grid red part. Okay. In the example, the Bitcoin price has a clear pattern moving between 6,000 and 8,000. Okay, after running a backtesting with different grid quantity setting, we have noticed that 8 grid setup will the best results. So let's go around the numbers. Okay, it's similar as I did. Okay, but I put 88 orders because I want more orders to come, and they're going to see the lower and the upper prices. Okay, the pattern between the prices and the grid quantity 8, our pattern is 100 in the lower price, 200 in the upper price, and our grid amount of quantity. Imagine if I put only 10, the problem is that every grid is going to place between 8% of difference of price. That for me is too much, and I think that I want to make a lot of movements, because imagine that all these movements is not going to make any. Okay, these movements are not going to make any profit, because they are inside two grids. Okay, so the bot is created as we did, and when we create the bot, we take the price range and divide it into 8 parts, grid quantity. Okay, so we here we debit the price range between 88 grids, okay? And so we start at 7,000. We are not placing any order at this grid. Any order will be placed thereafter when any of the closest grids order get completed. So this is the sample, 7,000, and all these are buy orders, and all of these are selling orders. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 are the grids. Okay. Now the price move up and hit this price, okay? So there is a new order to buy in the placed grid below, okay? When the price moves up and meets our open order, our sell order at this price, it gets completed, and this is a basin, and then a new order to buy is placed on the grid below at 7,000. So your profit from this transaction is 250 added to your available balance and will not be used for further operation. This is your final earning for this particular trade, and this is the most important part for me. Okay, we can see here we have all these are completed orders. Okay, so what happens? The first order was, I think, that the price moved down, and we have this buy order opened, so it closed, and when it closed, nothing happens. But when we sell at 110, a new order, okay, this was at this time, okay, so a new order was completed and generated again in the lower price, and again move, and again move, and again move, and again move, and again move. Okay, buy, sell, or sell order, buy order, sell order, buy order, sell order, buy order, sell order, profit, 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 and profit, and profit. Okay, this is the amazing part of the bot. Okay, but now our grid changed to 4 open buy orders and 3 open sell orders. Okay, now when the price is here and we move from here to here, okay, the price goes from 7,000 to 7,250. The difference is that when the price is around now here, of course, a new buy order is placed in the lower price, in the 7,000, and now we have more grids in buy orders than selling orders. Okay, but what happens if the price moves down and your open buy order will be completed and the sell order will be placed above them? Imagine the example again, okay, with the 7,000 here, and the price goes to 6,750. Now you have more bitcoins to sell in the future if the price go up again. There is no loss or gain for the balance of your quote currency, but now you have more base that you started with. Here's more detailed explanation of what exactly happens. Okay, this is the second order, and here is the best example is the scheme here. Okay, the price goes down, remember, go up to this level, now go again to the 7,000, a buy order was completed, and now if the price goes down again, in the new grid, in the new line, a new order that we are having a new buy order. If the price hit the 7,750, this order will be completed again. Okay, so we are buying low Bitcoin against US dollars. It's the same that if we here go to 1 minute. Okay, we are in 1 minute, so this is always the same. Okay, if we hit the buy order of this price, is going to buy, and if we hit again the next price, is going to sell, and now buy, and now sell, and now buy, and now sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, to the infinite. Okay, I think that TRX BTC is going to make a huge amount of money with this bot. So I think that you can understand. I hope my English was not so bad to understand me. So thank you, and tomorrow we are going to see how these bots are going, and I think that TRX is going to make a huge amount of money. See you in the next video.